Okay, it's Thursday the 17th of November 2022. We're just filming a piece here in Cratloe Road, and that's the palace you're looking at there, by the way. And we'll go over here and show you the houses. There's replaced houses that used to be here, which includes the palace behind you, because the palace was originally a small house, a brick home. There's the door of the palace. What a place. Huge. Amazing place, that one. Anyway, we'll go along here. And this is the houses across the road that were reasonably small houses. Kind of small house now, you can't find them, they're all double story.